Welcome to our 4-side seal healthcare powder sachet packing machine. It features a servo-driven auger filler with plus or minus 1% accuracy, suitable for herbal powders, supplement powders, probiotics, and more. The 4-side seal pouch is flat, sturdy, and moisture-proof. The machine body is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, meeting GMP pharmaceutical standards. PLC touchscreen control for easy operation with multiple recipe storage. Optional nitrogen flushing, online checkweigher, and date coding available.